Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In this problem, we're told that the probability that a random car part in a factory is defective is 0.15. What is the probability that 3 of the next 10 parts chosen for quality control are defective? These trials are independent, and they're Bernoulli trials, so we know that this is a binomial distribution. The x represents the number of successes that we want, and if we define the number of successes as the number of defectives, then we know that this is 3 from the question. N is the total number of trials, which is 10, and P is the probability of success, which is 0.15. We can recall that the binomial distribution formula is this, where this expression is n factorial over x factorial times n minus x factorial. Since we have all of these and the equation, we can just sub in and solve. This right here is 10 factorial over 3 times 10 minus 3 factorial, which is 7 factorial, and then 0.85 to the 7. This can just be found with a calculator to be 120, and we can also use a calculator for the rest of the expression to find that it equals 0.13. This is our final answer. So we can say the probability that 3 of the next 10 parts are defective is 0.13. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you in the next lesson.